Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Mackenzie Nelson if you're new here, and right now I am in HUACACHINA, Peru. It's crazy because it's always been like a bucket list place for me. Way smaller than I was expecting it to be, but it's still really cool to be here in this desert oasis. I got here yesterday from a very long night bus. I went from Huaraz to Lima to Ica, and then Ica I got a taxi to here. It was a very easy journey, but just a very long one. I spent the night. I've just been doing a lot of work. The Wi-Fi here is surprisingly really good. Well, the Wi-Fi for uploading speed is really good. So I've been uploading like 6 or 7 videos from the rest of Central America and Colombia, which you guys would have already seen by now if you're following the whole series. I signed on for like the one and only but really exciting tour to do here, which is like the dune buggies and the sandboarding. I've been staying at Wild Rover, which is like the party hostel here. I didn't want to party when I came here, and I haven't, so it's been very chill, but I would recommend staying at Banana's Adventure Hostel if you wanted like a more chill time, and then you could always go to the party at Wild Rover. Every single night they have a party, they have something going on, but I leave tonight, so I only have really the day to explore, and I signed on for the 4 p.m. tour, which is only in like an hour. I booked the tour through Carola restaurant, hostel, bar, I think. It's just right down on the corner. It's like where all the tourists go out of, for like the best tours I've heard. Because I was staying at Wild River, I got like a discount. I just met 2 girls, but now they're saying that they're in a different group, and now I have to wait for my group. I guess 2 more people are coming. Not really sure what's happening. It's like 4:03 and I have to be back at 6. It says it ends at 6, but I have to like shower because I have a night bus tonight. But hopefully we can go soon.
Bueno, sí. Camina. Rico. Y como dice mi coro que sigue ahí. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Escucha. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Melodía. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Ay, escucha mi salsa ahora. Ahora estamos gozando para bailar, para gozar. Qué rico está. Escucha mi salsa buena. Ay, ¿dónde está la salsa buena? Es la verdad. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Bueno, mira, escucha ahora. Si escucha mi salsa ahora, mi salsa para bailar, este ritmo tan sabroso, el ritmo para guarachar. Yo te canto con sentimiento y manana te lo voy a dar. Muévese con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana.
Wow, I got bumpy towards the end. Sand is everywhere now. Oh yeah, I hit a bump and my camera flipped. I didn't flip. I think that one was the most fun. Just stopped off to watch the sunset. Our driver isn't the most like adventurous, I would say. This buggy just came flying over and parked itself just right there, but he's very careful, very slow. And I want to go flying. But the sandboarding was really fun. Of course I took every advantage to do it because we only went down like 3 times, and like we worked up the levels only like 3 times in 2 hours. Just because we had to wait for everybody, and there's so many more groups as well. But it was really fun. I definitely recommend bringing a bandana, and they also say to bring tennis shoes, but I don't know, I think barefoot's kind of better because you're barefoot in the sand, it's not too cold, it's not hot at all, and the tennis shoes you just get filled with sand. Here they come, ready? Oh, that wasn't as exciting. desert oasis. There are so many people here. I didn't even know that the desert oasis could even hold this many people. There's like just a few hotels, but like look at how many people. Is it overrated? Maybe a little bit, because there's only the sand bugging to do and the sandboarding and nothing really to do in the town but party. So maybe it's overrated. Definitely really cool experience to be here in Desert Oasis. Like bucket list for sure. And I think it's absolutely beautiful, like the sand dunes, the sunset, and now seeing the oasis from the top. Really cool though. I have like less than an hour to get ready for my night bus though, and I want to shower because of all the sand and order some food I think somewhere. So I do have to go, but really cool. I definitely suggest if you're coming all the way to HUACACHINA, like don't come and not do the sandboarding. You definitely have to do it. It was I think 50 soles, which is like really nothing. There are a ton of people doing it. Very touristy town, but for a reason. The hospital gave me this map. Well, that thing